Here we go, guys. Going to take a quick look at West Texas Intermediate crude oil, and really we're trading this thing with the micro oil futures, but we like looking at the main chart, main futures chart of oil in order to do that. Anyway, right now we have the weekly chart up, kind of show you where this started and where we're possibly going. And as you can see, price fell down. We have this target here for like for weeks and weeks, if not months. Anyway, coming down into the 200, and then this consolidation zone over here, low pivot, consolidation right there. And then let me jump to the hourly chart, and let me just take all this off here. And as you can see, we came down, hit our target perfectly on the 15th last Wednesday at a bullish engulfing clearing candle. Just, I mean, like a 180 reversal here in the market. Right almost to the penny of, where we estimated it would go. And then consolidation up here, of course, came down, retested that area, which was kind of a shock. But then again, I was thinking, well, those institutions that didn't get in, that weren't, watching, that didn't know, where those setups were on the weekly chart, missed it. So they, their friends brought it down again. Okay, are you in? Yeah. Am I in? Yeah. Everybody's in. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, that, you know, conspiracy theory here. But anyway, ran it back up. And then we had this big slam down again, back down and actually passed that target on the 200. And then here we are right now. So yeah, a lot of whipsaw action. We actually got whipsawed in and out. And so we're going to play this a little bit more conservatively going forward, and looking for a longer term play here rather than, quite honestly, just a few hours. Okay, so that's the kind of the long and the short of this. Is not a This is basically a pause candle that was put in on the daily chart here. Every candle is 1 day of price action. But anyway, little pause candle, then follow through. See, 1, 2, 3 days down, little pause candle there, and then here we go again. So we got to wait and see where that next support, might be. And we could be, a lot of times you get support off these low pivots here. Let me pull it in so you actually see it. See, we're right above it where that red dash line is. So right in here, let me see, what was the close? There, 65.50. Um, so we'll see if that holds in order to get a little reversal here. But we're probably going to be on the sideline until we get um, a bullish engulfing clearing candle. And what that is, it looks like something like this, or this one over here. Obviously we want to clear out at least one, maybe 2 or 3 days to the left before we try to get back in this. And as you can see here, we had a nice W formation, down, up, down, and then it rode. And then especially what's nice about this, when you break out, if price, can hold that 20, that blue line that you see taking off here, if they can hold it, hold that, after it hits it, like an Olympic gymnast, then boom, you're off to the races. So far as reversals, you have the V shape, and everybody saw that during the COVID slam down. It came down, then everything just like did a 180. But the strongest and really with higher confirmation, and that's a horrible one, so let me take that off, is your W like this. You have a low pivot here, down, and then it's almost like a V shape, but you come down again and then take off. See how that low, higher low, and then you take out that previous high, and then you're off to the races. But okay, guys, hope that helps. Uh, Trade educated, profit for life, and we will see you on the charts.